Hello everyone, I Kanchan Shetty welcome you all my dear students of SYBCom on this platform of KTHM e-learning. Today I am going to introduce the revised syllabus of business communication, that is for semester 4. Friends, you may aware that from the year 2019 your syllabus pattern is choice based credit system, that is CBCS pattern as prescribed by the university. So according to this pattern, the continuous assessment system is applied by the college for evaluation purpose. So we need to understand one important thing, that is for the business communication there are total 4 credits are given. In that 3 credits for theory and remaining 1 credit is for practical. Now let's come to the syllabus. In the fourth semester here 4 units are given for the study of business communication. So the first unit is report writing and internal correspondence. Second unit is recent trends in business communication. Third one is types and drafting of business letters. And last, fourth is writing formal mails and blog writing. Now let's try to understand the main contents one by one which are given in the syllabus. So the first unit, report writing and internal correspondence. Friends, in this unit we will study basically the introduction of this topic. Then we will study meaning and significance of report writing. After that we will learn the structure, contents and drafting of reports. We will also understand negative reporting, persuasive reporting and special reporting. After that we will get the knowledge of various kinds of reports and their drafting, like informal report, proposals, formal reports, project report, etc. Then we will discuss introduction and essential elements of report writing, that is reporting for a meeting. Next we will study organization of press report. After that we will discuss the various kinds of internal correspondence, their meaning, objectives and drafting, like office memo, office orders, office circulars, form memo and letters. And last we will discuss the concept press release in detail. Now let's see unit number 2, recent trends in business communication. In this unit we will discuss basic meaning of internet, email and website. After that we will also study the applications, advantages and disadvantages of internet, email and websites. Then we will study the meaning of various kinds of social media networks like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp. We will also learn their applications, advantages and disadvantages in detail. After that, we will get the information of various recent trends in business communication like Google Doc, Google Form, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Classroom. Then we will also study their uses, applications, significance and limitations in today's education. Then we will understand the meaning of online conference and video conferencing and their advantages and disadvantages. Next, we will study different kinds of apps which for the academic purpose, for example, meeting through Zoom app, Google Meet app and Cisco WebEx meeting apps. Now let's move to the next slide. Unit number 3, types and drafting of business letters. In this unit we will study the basic meaning of all the different types of business letters. There are given 8 types of letters. For example, inquiry letters, replies to inquiry letters, order letters, credit and status inquiries, sales letters, complaint letters, collection letters and circular letters. We will also study the drafting and examples of all these kinds of business letters. And last, unit number 4, writing formal mails and blog writing. Friends, in this unit, we will study the meaning and essential elements of mail. After that, we will study format of mail and its guidelines. Next, we will understand the introduction and meaning of blog. We will also study the features and need for blogging in business and their advantages and disadvantages we will also study. So we consider these 4 units one by one in detail accordingly which is provided to us. We will try to develop the communication skills which are the universities expected on this course. Okay. So we will start first unit in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.